Aman, a brand identified with quality in road construction equipment, has been a global leader for over a century. Mr. Jacob Aman founded the company in Madiswil, Switzerland in 1869, and it is presently managed by the sixth generation of family members led by Mr. Hans Christian Schneider. From the historic streets of Madiswil, Switzerland to the bustling highways of India, Aman has been synonymous with road construction innovation. Our journey in India began with a mission to elevate the standards of Indian roads to world-class levels. Aman and Apollo Construction Equipments Limited formed Aman Apollo India Limited in 2013 under a 70-30 joint venture agreement. 7 years later, in 2020, Aman purchased the remaining part of Aman Apollo Private Limited, transforming it into Aman India Private Limited, which became a completely owned subsidiary of Aman Group Switzerland. Apollo is a well-known brand for its durable, rugged and reasonably priced wheeled pavers, asphalt batch and continuous plants, bitumen sprayers and curb laying machines. In 2014, the Aman Group purchased a 100% share in Elba Werk Maschinen Gamba, situated in Ettlingen, Germany, gaining a foothold in the huge global concrete equipment business. In 2024, Aman Group acquired Volvo's ABG paver business too. With this acquisition, Aman now proudly represents the Aman, Apollo, Elba and ABG brands all under one umbrella. Our 35-acre production plant in Ditashan, Gujarat demonstrates our commitment to quality and innovation. Our cutting-edge facility is organized into two divisions, plant and machines, each with its own set of specialized production units. The Aman India facility manufactures some of the top asphalt plants, concrete pumps, asphalt pavers, vibratory compactors, curb laying machines and bitumen sprayers in India. Laser cutting machines, rolling machines and robotic welding stations are examples of modern technology used in the plants division to assure precision and efficiency. The machines division includes cutting-edge CNC machining, boring and fabrication stations that produce high-quality construction equipment. Our plants and machinery are used in a variety of construction projects throughout India, providing excellent performance, efficiency, sustainability and dependability. We are also pioneers in asphalt recycling, delivering state-of-the-art recycling services that encompass both cold and hot recycling up to 60%. Aman, with its extensive network of over 24 offices and 12 warehouses throughout India, is also known for its exceptional after-sales support, which includes over 300 service and spares support engineers. Aman has also established an expert cell to speed up the resolution of significant issues and increase the overall efficiency of our customers' plants. To take things a step further, we offer retrofit solutions to clients of other manufacturers which cover any brand of asphalt and concrete plants. At Aman, learning and growth are ongoing processes and we hold training programs throughout the year for both our customers and internal workers at the Aman Academy, which is located on the plant grounds. The Academy is also perfectly equipped to provide world-class training programs accredited by the Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council and the National Skill Development Corporation. Join Aman India as we continue to set new benchmarks in the construction equipment industry. Together, let's build roads that connect lives and foster progress across India.